Well, g'day, welcome to the channel. I said I was going to show you this, so I'm going to show you this. This is Rylan's car, and this is the dual battery setup. And this is the dual battery setup that we created for him for when he's driving around on a day-to-day basis, but also when he's going on a trip. So let's grab the dual battery and I'll show you how it works. In true fashion, I haven't even cleaned it from the last trip. It's actually really dirty. That was sitting in the back of the ute and it's covered in dust. But it's actually done a trip since then. So dust covers are the bomb, right? So the way this works is in here is a 100 amp hour lithium battery. And with that, we've also put on the side of it a 25 amp DC to DC charger. That plugs straight into the battery to be able to charge it. So here we have the amp that runs the boy's car. We've got a wire here, which is the trigger wire for the amp. You can unplug that, nice and easy. And here we've got, and I do it, ta-da, our Anderson plug. Both the trigger wire and the Anderson plug are on extra cord, so we can put that down and have, if we get it through, some extra space, which means we can chuck the old battery box there, run this over to here, which is where it plugs in. One there, activating switch goes there, beautiful. And then if I twist this around, let me start the car. I'll start the lad's car. Give it just a little bit of time, and while you're ready, you can see it's flashing down here, alternator and lithium. So we'll give that a little bit of time. So we see the activation has taken place there. It's all good. And once it's sort of, everything gets going, the alternator gets going, all that sort of stuff, everything's in good space, and the DC to DC charge is fully configured, whatever it does, and those lights will go more solid, and it's charging the battery. And so yeah, the design of that is that depends where he wants to put the battery. If he wants to try and stick it over here, that's a really good spot for it. You can stick it over there, still stick a fridge in. It's got usual sort of cigarette lighter. It's got the Anderson plug there, and so we can run all those things. There it goes. See, it's now just charging away, doing its thing, and so it's charging the battery now, which is pretty cool. So the cool thing is that's a separate charge from what the alternator's, the other battery. So it's kind of, it'll shut off and do its own thing and only work when the alternator's working. And yeah, it's a good system, really good system. So anyway, that's that. Yeah, anyway, that's what I said I'd show you. It's a really short one this week, but there it is. So the boy can have his battery if he's going camping to chuck the fridge in or whatever else. There is a lighter port back here somewhere. Where was that? Somewhere here is there it is, hidden away. There is a lighter there, so he can run the fridge when he's driving off there, but then when he parks he can chuck it on the battery. Yeah, or lights or whatever you want to do. You know, these things are pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. We'll catch you next time.